Here is yesterday's painting, and I love the way this turned out. This was a kiss pour. I like the two different designs happening. Even though this was supposed to be a ring pour, it didn't turn out that way, but I'm not mad at it. You can still see the rings on this side, but look at this right here. I love that area right up in there. All right, let's get into day 18 of 30 paintings in 30 days.
White. The pink. Yellow. Orange. I'm gonna come around the edges with this orange. I have no idea what this is going to create. All right, let's tilt it and see what we get. Ooh, I like it. Oh, well, that's fun. I really like this. I really like it. What do you guys think? I love the way that turned out. I really like this. All right. That's what's so fun about this type of painting, because I didn't know what I was doing. I was just doing something. I didn't know what I was going to get. I didn't know what the outcome was going to be. I was just trying something, and I love the results. And I hope that it dries down as beautiful as it is now. So come back tomorrow to see how this dries down. All right, so this is day 18 of 30 paintings in 30 days.